Welcome to our virtual open house of our Welding Technologies program. I'm here with Mike Wagner, one of our welding instructors. Hi Mike.
Hello.
Can you tell us a little bit about yourself?
Well, I have been welding for over 20 plus years. I actually took the high school program here when I was 17, 18 years old and graduated from this program. So, I bring a lot of experience that I've learned over the past 20 years to the program. Over 12 plus welding certifications and that. And I've been here for mass and adult education for about 5 years.
What kinds of skills do students learn in your program?
We cover a lot of communication skills. We cover my major welding process, shield metal arc welding, gas tungsten arc welding, gas and metal arc welding, flux core arc welding, oxyacetylene welding and cutting, plasma cutting. We also cover a small pipe program. We do a few different fabrication projects throughout the class, and we also cover math, blueprint reading, and symbols for welders as well.
What kind of jobs could students expect to gain after leaving your program?
Most students come out of the program, they get into entry-level welding positions and fabricator positions. We have had some students that come out and they're more mid-level, depending on your skill set and how much drive you have throughout the program. But it's mostly entry-level positions. So,
what's the market like for welders right now? Are they in demand, or is it harder to find a job right now?
it's really easy to find a job as a welder right now. We've got employers that contact me once, twice a month. They're pretty much like contacting us, hey, when will you have welders, out of this welding process, because send them our way, because you can't find people that want to weld and people want to work.
Yeah. So welding is a pretty in-demand occupation in our area. So if you are looking for a career change or a career skill, you might think about enrolling in our Welding Technologies program. It's 630 hours. It takes about 9 months to complete. And financial aid is available if you qualify.